Hey there! So you want to learn how to get Microsoft Excel on your Windows PC for free? Well, I'm about to show you exactly how to do that in this video. It's completely legal, legitimate, and works for both Windows and Mac computers. Plus, you won't have to download anything. Sounds good, right? Let's dive in. First step, grab your computer and open up any web browser. For this video, I'm using Google Chrome, but any browser will do the trick. Next, type office.com into your search bar. On the official Microsoft website, click the blue Sign In button. Next, log in with your email and password. If you don't have an account, just click on Create One to set it up with your email and a new password. Now, after you log in, head to the Install Apps section. Click on Excel from the left-hand menu, and boom, you're all set to use Excel for free in your browser. Start a new spreadsheet or pick a template to get started right away. That's it. You now have all of Microsoft Excel's features directly in your browser without needing to download any files. You can create and edit spreadsheets, use formulas, create charts and graphs, analyze data, and even collaborate in real time with others. Plus, all your work is automatically saved to Microsoft OneDrive, so you can access it anytime, anywhere, from any device. If this tutorial helped you, please leave a like and consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.